To set up date and time settings on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to go into System and Updates, and then we can click on Date and Time. After entering it, there's a bunch of different options. First one is 24 hours clock. You will get 24 hours when it's enabled, and when it's disabled, it will change to standard 12 hours clock. You can then enable or disable options which will set time automatically. When it's disabled, you can adjust them manually, but this may cause some networking issues, so I would just suggest to have it enabled. You can also click on the time zone when the automatic options are disabled and change your time zone as well. But again, it is not recommended. Then there's dual clocks. If you have this option enabled and have weather app set up, then you'll be able to see the dual clock on your home screen. Then there will be time from different two time zones. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.